Alright traders, welcome back to the channel. Now, some of you have reached out to me both on the comment sections of my videos and through personal DMs asking me to make a suggestion on the best currency pairs to trade in the month of December. That is simply because I said trading for me is a bit difficult in the month of December. I don't find it easy trading major pairs. Alright, so I'm going to give you suggestions. For those of you who are still interested in trading in the month of December. Now, the month of December is mostly a month of vacation. A lot of people are exiting the market, and that is why you discover that a lot of the major pairs are a bit difficult to have a directional bias. Some of them are even giving you anti-correlation. For pairs that are supposed to be positively correlated, you see them negatively correlated, and a lot of things whipsaws in the market. Let me show you an example. If I go to Euro USD, all right, Euro USD, you're going to see what I'm saying. Can you see this price action? You see this price action, price was push and then give you all this kind of behavior. Go to GBPUSD. This is GBPUSD. Let's see what is happening on GBPUSD. Almost the same thing now. It's somehow difficult. Price moves up to this level and it came right back up there. You see these whipsaws. Compared to the other months, you see there is a lot more smoother movement than in the month of December. You see, this is the month of December. In fact, from November to this time, you're going to see some of these things. So based on my research and based on my experience in the market, I prefer to trade crosses in the month of December. So I would just recommend, if you want to trade in this month, you should trade the crosses. The crosses are simply currency pairs that don't have a USD, especially among the 8 major currencies that don't have USD. So this is Euro JPY. Can you see the price action? Is it not much more smoother than those ones I've just shown you for the major pairs? All right. One beautiful thing about these crosses is that when they pick a direction, if you get the direction correctly, the rest is for you to make money. The rest is for you to make a lot of money. And then guys, anytime you want to check your economic news to look at for the global news and events, I use Fastb to do that. Check Fastb link in the description of this video. They have different sections. The economic calendar, which is this particular one where you get to see all the economic events, the news that we're supposed to be released according to the data. You have the actual data, the forecast, and the previous data to do your news analysis, and you're going to see the impact of that particular news. And then they also have 24 hours economic news that you're going to be seeing about global economy. You will see updates about what is happening in different countries right here. They have different sections like the AI signals, the news, and the codes. You are going to see data and different sections right on the fastbull.com. So you can check them out there and see what they have right on their website. So let's get back to our video, guys. So this is Euro JPY. All right. So this is Euro JPY. The same thing with GBPJPY. Let's see what we have on GBPJPY. I think it is a bit more easier to trade the crosses. Once you get an entry with these pairs in the month of December, the rest is for you to just sit back and watch what will happen for price to give you that amount of money you need. And for those of you who trade gold, all right, gold, I think trading gold in the month of December is also good. You're going to see good price action, very smooth. Can you see the price action? All right, you see the price action. You see break of structure, return entry, break of structure, entry, shifting market structure right here. Gold is currently bearish. All right, break of structure. You expect price to come to this fair value gap, and then you also go bearish from it. All right, you go bearish. So for those of you who have been asking me the best pairs and the assets to trade in the month of December, I think this is what you should be looking out for. All right, so you can check it up, and if you find value in this video, guys, make sure you give me a like, share this video, and invite your friends to come and watch it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.